If you're ready to send your first contract for signature, DocuSign makes it simple and secure, whether it's for client, vendor, or employee. Here's how to activate DocuSign and send your first document. Start by heading to DocuSign.com and create an account. If you have not already, once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard. Click the Start button, then choose Send an Envelope. This is where you will upload your contract. Just drag and drop the file or select it from your device. Next, add your recipient's email and name. You can assign specific signing roles like needs to sign or receives a copy. After that, you'll be taken to the document editor where you can place signature fields, initials, dates, or any other required inputs. Once you have set everything up, click Send. Your recipient will get an email with a secure link to review and sign the contract. You'll be notified as soon as it's signed and can download a final signed PDF for your records. And that's really it. You have activated DocuSign and sent your first legally binding contract in just a few clicks. If this walkthrough helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and drop a comment. If you want help with customizing templates or even automating reminders as well.